Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Artificial Intelligence for Kids. Part 2. AI Learning Roadmap. Stage 1. Discover AI. Activities. AI everywhere. Identify AI in daily life, YouTube suggestions, voice assistants, smart toys. Sorting game. Let kids sort images, cats versus dogs, and explain that AI does similar sorting. Guess the pattern, show shapes or numbers and ask what comes next. Mini project. AI pet helper. Kids draw animals and AI guesses them. Stage 2. Play with AI. Activities. Scratch AI games. Create a game where AI catches falling objects. Use AI to recognize colors or shapes. Chatbot creation. Kids design questions and answers for a simple chatbot. AI art station. Kids draw something, AI completes or colors it. Mini project. Magic Story Generator. AI writes a story based on kid inputs, kids illustrate it. Stage 3. Experiment with AI. Activities. AI classifier. Teach AI to distinguish fruit pictures, apple, banana, orange. AI music maker. Generate beats or songs with AI. AI maze solver. Program a robot or virtual character to solve a maze using AI logic. Mini project. Smart Garden. AI predicts which plant needs watering based on inputs like sunlight or soil moisture. Stage 4. Create and share AI. Activities. AI Chat Friend, a simple chatbot with Scratch or ML for kids. AI Quiz Master. Kids create a quiz game where AI asks questions and adapts difficulty. AI Animator. Use AI to animate their own stories or comic strips. Mini project. AI News Reporter. Kids type a news story, AI summarizes it into a short news clip. AI concepts made super simple for kids. Fun learning games. AI games for kids' brain. AI games and activities for kids. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.